So on to problem 21. Now this problem is different since So on to problem 21. This problem is different since we're finding the x value, the input, and we are given our output jx. So what we can do is we can write down our function of j, which is 100 over x, and substitute the output in this equation. So jx is defined as -6, so we just substitute that value. And now we just have to search for x. To do that, we multiply x. So we can get x alone. -6x is equal to 100. Divide -6 on both sides, and you get x is equal to -106 over 6. So what this means is that when you input this value into jx, you'll get the output of -6. Moving on. Number 22. You have 1/2 g5 plus 2/3 f2. Now in this case, you have your inputs, but there are two functions, g and f. So for function g, your input is 5. For function f, your input is 2. So what we can do is we can substitute all our values from the gx function. So since our input is 5, 2 times 5 plus 1 plus 2/3 f of 2, which is this function over here, x squared plus 5x. Since our input is 2, we can substitute all values of x by 2, which is 2 squared plus 5 times 2. Oops. Now, from there, what we can do is we can multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1, which is 11, plus 2/3. 2 squared is 4, plus 5 times 2, which is 10, so 14. Now 14 times 2 is 28, divided by 3, plus 11 over 2. Now since we add these two terms, what we have to do is we have to find a common denominator, which is 6. So we multiply this by 3, top to bottom, and this by 2, top to bottom, so that they can share the same common denominator, 6. So if that's the case, 6 divided by 33 divided by 6 plus 56 divided by 6. So what this will equal to is 89 over 6, and that will be your answer. So what this value represents is just the output of this entire equation. So that's about it. If you want to get better, or if you want to polish your skills, it's a great idea to go through all of these other problems. It's really helpful, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you have a great day.